Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install WhatsApp on TCL phone. Let's begin. First, let's go into the Play Store. Then head into search, head into search bar and simply start typing in WhatsApp. Now you want to ignore the sponsored ChatGPT ad. You want to go here, simply hit install, and after a moment we should see our WhatsApp installed and ready to go. And as you can see, now we should be able to click open, meaning that we'll have the ability to just use the application however we please, though it does require an account, so you want to get an account. But yeah, that's how you install the WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.